Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm showing you day 4 of my holiday nails. I hope you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to share. Right, so I am coming in with a very strong white and about 3/4 of the nail down, and then coming with a beige, sort of neutral beige color on the lower part of my nail. And what I'm doing is I'm going to create this sort of ombre effect, but I'm not very keen on making it perfect because I'm coming in with some pigments. Well, it's pigments, but it's more like glow in the dark powders. Anyway, so as you can see here, I'm not really going in making it like really perfect because I don't see the need for it. And these are the glow in the dark powders I'm going to use from Stuart Sample. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, you know I'm in love with glow in the dark pigments, and Stuart Sample is definitely one of the greatest ones that I've found. Right, so I've come in with my base gel, cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm coming in with the powders. Today I'm only using 2 powders, which is pink and yellow, but in the previous one I used 3. If you want to check that out, if you haven't already, you should. I believe that one came out perfect. Anyway, I did have some trouble with the application, but not in this part. Is literally when I come in with my top coat. Some of the pink pigment came off, so I had to sort of add a bit more at the end, but you'll see as we go along. Anyway, as I am trying to sort of create an ombre effect using the pigments as well, I'm just swishing my brush around to create that sort of perfect non-realistic line. Anyway, I'll let you watch and come back. Right, so as I come in with my matte top coat, I do remove some of the pigments, as I said previously, and now I'm just trying to rectify that whole situation. I cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and I leave it as it is. So my pink now looks more powdery than my yellow, because my yellow was covered by the matte top coat completely, so that gave it sort of a nice finish, whereas the pink one came out more pigments on the outside. But I was happy with it as it was, so I just continued with my artwork. So guys, this is a short video. It was fun to create, easy to do. It didn't take any time at all. It literally, I think this whole thing took about 15 minutes to do anyway. So, so that's a bonus. If you guys want to recreate it, tag me on my Instagram, which is m_pal88. Let me know what you think, and I would love to see you guys recreate this. Bye.